He's getting quite a good operator on it now, he's the old Ginger Prince.
It's like an extension of my arm now.
Good morning YouTube. We're just over at top of Keighley. Basically somebody installed this at a school here and well it's not the best. Look, gate post all wobbly. All these posts down this side are wobbly. I hope they haven't been cut. All these are. Basically there's 12 of these posts, I think it's to there somewhere. All down this side, look how wobbly they are. Dodgy as out. And then there's this one to straighten up as well, this little fence and gate. Yeah, there's this one to do here. That gate's dodgy there. And look at how bad this is as well. How people leave stuff. Bear in mind it's a primary school. What? Cut wire here. It's not in the hazard, I don't know what it is. Yeah, this gate and stuff here, this gate post is loose, look. We've got to straighten that as well, and a couple of posts here. Might because the bank's so wet, but anyway, we'll see. Enough at track outside, so at least we've got our vans pretty close to us. So we think we know why this is wobbling and leaning. Got water coming out of the ground. Do them all these the same. Let's see as we go along. Oh, that was a bit of a waste of a Monday. Won't be able to do that job now. With that wet underground, it needs some drainage putting in. Strangely enough, Ryan, who works for them as well next door, he's going over, I think he said tomorrow or Wednesday, to have a look, and then we'll be back. They want it quoting for putting extensions on top of it and some struts and everything now anyway, so we'll have a look at that. Skip and got it removed yesterday. Seems weird not having this space now. I'm going to give it a scrape and tidy up once we get a minute. But basically we've moved it from there, so we're going to move his post mix and put that there that we currently have there, and we've got a skip there for now. So it's just nicely out there. So yeah, gives us a bit more storage space there. Good morning, we're all loaded up, ready to go, start just pulling out. Just took us a while to get loaded, but running out vehicles today, which isn't good in current fuel prices. We've got a van on, Carl's off there, got posts and that on that van, and got all post mix and stuff on that van. And then I've got to go in my van down office and pick up some like tarmac supplies that have been delivered down there, some strips and whatnot. So let's get gates locked up now. See you next, we'll be on the job. I'll get an update then. Yeah, pretty lovely now. So yeah, we're just at one of Exceed Academy's jobs, Knowleswood Primary. Luckily we can get alt vans in there, and machine will go all the way down. We've got to be out back for some of it. We've got a single gate to replace there, drop bolt to put on an existing. Then we're taking this palisade out here and replacing it with some more of this 3 metre high rebound just at the corner there, and then straightening a piece up, and then round back we're doing the same. It's literally, I don't know if you can see it in distance down there, that's where it is. But luckily there's a Avant machine will drive around and go through all the little gates there. The beauty of having it. Pick palisade panels up, just drive them straight down, plonk them straight on back of the van fence. So yeah, I'll get a little update shortly. We're just round back now making a start. We're just a bit of a bodge job. You see wire hanging that goes to this gate here. I've never seen no like it. And then CCTV, which is just sort of bodged to fence. It's bad. So we're just going to take these down. Then when we come to that, we'll have to just lean it that way, take that off, and then we've got a new gate to go in there, you see, which then will need connecting back up. It's a good thing about the Avant, it can take weight while we cut them, and we'll get them up floor, cut them in half and get them up van. So we'll probably get all this down today, I would have thought. It's probably hardest stretch. The post looks solid in here. So, yeah. So we're not doing well. All my baggage is put music on, but back. Scrap that we've took down, that one there. And we're just going to take this one down now. And then we'll be able to get Avant round and get these down. These might even pull out with the machine. Obviously we'll have to dig these few out, but luckily our new ones don't land on them. They all land in sort of middles, so it should be good. So we could probably just dig down them, cut them below ground level and tarmac over them. Sounds like good. Slight work of it does that. Get that, just picked it up like that from there. Yeah, over there to this cutting station. So easy. It takes salt weight and everything so it can't fall on you. You're watching, I'll grab it in a minute. You're getting good on it and all this Carl now. It's salt weight, so it's all safe now, can't fall on you. And he's getting quite a good operator on it now, he's the old Ginger Prince.
It's like an extension of my arm now.
It's, I'll just explaining though, it's so much easier, isn't it? Just explaining it, so much easier now. It's like you grab it, makes it safe, can't fall on us when we cut them, and he just picks it up, puts it on his cutting pile over there. So much easier.
To the point where we've actually forgot how heavy these panels are.
Yeah, exactly. We've just had to lift one out of there by hand, and you forget how heavy they are. It's so much easier like this, and then obviously we've got a few to take down over there, and then what we'll do is we'll load them onto the van then and get them away, so it clears it off. It's easier and safer that is, carrying them by hand. Just put it onto this cutting station tyre. These tyres have worked out great. Put it in the middle so it doesn't bend, so when you cut it, and just cut them in half, put them on this pile. And then the next one, and then we'll go around there and pick that one. That's not such a up to that. I've only been in it for about 5 minutes. I think it's Carl's machine that, don't let anyone near it. And that's it, and then he grabs it, everything's safe till we cut it. We've managed to just take this gate off, obviously it's still attached there. And obviously this one's still attached. We're going to undo the receiving maglock, unscrew it. We'll leave that with this. Obviously we've pulled that out where, and we've got the CCTV tower there which we'll attach to our new fence. Oh, just a bit of an update. Going through the swig, I don't know if you can see in the background of Avant there. And Ben's already gone off for the full van load of scrap. Just got them ones to put on, and the posts round here which we're taking down now, which we took that side down, and just on with this side now. We've got one at gate post dug, just digging hanger posts now, then we're going to get them out there and then all the scrap and everything will be ready. Posts already around here, post mix, and we've just realised there's some gates up there we can get van right outside of us with panels, so yeah, all good. Nice and early again. We're just back at Northwood today. This van's nice and empty, so luckily we've sussed out there's 2 gates round back, and caretaker has a key for them even though it's next doors, which used to be a private nursery, so we can get his van more or less side where we're working, which is great. Probably take that one off and then take bucket with us. We dig holes, put it straight in bucket, and then they've even got a skip on site, and he says we can put us rubble in there, so happy days. Although we've got a delivery coming today which is pretty bad timing. just for some posts that I've got for the job coming up soon. For them 1.2 panels there, I just need it post. I've had some brackets made, so it's like to extend an existing fence at a school that they've got. I know what it's like, I'll set off, get there, and they'll ring me and say, yeah, we're on our way. But what can I do? Just a little update there, you can see the cutting going on there, tarmac. But yeah, we've just, because I've got a delivery coming, so bloke next door with transport, he's going to take it for us hopefully, so I don't have to go. But as you can see, we've started now, we've got gate on, we've got to clad it, but Matt's going to put his lock and thingy on, so we might let him do that tomorrow, and then we'll clad it. But we've got two in now, just on with the third. I think there's about six and a half down here, and then probably 6 here, but that should be easier digging there. Obviously we've got all this, and I mean, it's not a bad dig, we've had a lot worse, but there's some big boulders coming out. They're like big sandstone boulders, and you can see that under there, but it's not so bad now. So we've got the bucket, and there's a big skip round here where we're putting it in, so yeah, like stuff like that coming out. Top of it's not so bad. It's a bit of a slow go, but we're getting there. Getting forward in. Ben's tarmacking behind. We're filling them in. We've got probably 2 more in tarmac, then we're hoping these are a bit easier. But I just be careful so you've got radio on. Just after 2 o'clock now, we've got all this. It's all posted, panelled, tarmacked. We've just run out, we're probably a bag short just for them last couple there. Got dark corner and 2 on there. Might be 2 short. Yeah, 2 to go. Matt's coming tomorrow to wire this back up. We've just moved CCTV to there for now, but we're going to fix it back on there and fix it back. So I think we've probably 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 more to go in, something like that, 5. But the digging here now is absolutely easy. Virgin soil now, it's not so bad. Getting a bit of concrete on curb edge, but no. But yeah, and get this line in anyway, so then tomorrow we've only got gate and round there to do. So yeah, all good. Nearly done. But last stretch now here. Nice little job today is this. That stretch had a bit hard. A little bit of tarmac in morning, but the rest of it's all in lot. We're just clearing stuff out now so Carl can get the machine out. So he's got to come through here and then go up there to his trailer. He's gonna get rid of the bucket and then get forks on, take them up there. So yeah, all good. And then we'll put these last 2 panels in. All's are dug. We're all ready to rock and roll basically. All's are dug, look. And so yeah, no problem. We'll just tidy it up as we do. Baggy's found another football. He loves it on this machine, can't get him off it. But I'll tell you what, save some work, back braking.
I don't put forks on.
What the hell that was then? Yeah. Luckily, there's been 2 double gates all the way up, otherwise would have been snookered. Otherwise we'd have to carry them panels all the way around. Come back round with forks on in a minute and check them. All done round here. Nice panel in there. All done is that, that's how they wanted it. I'd have preferred them this side, but that's all they wanted, them match some existing there. We've put them on that side because that's the main playground. This is for nursery kids anyway. And we just got gate to sort tomorrow and then a couple of panels to put in up there. Smashed it, done well. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's like it's going to be a nice day. You know, it's not bad. It's what you want in the morning, isn't it? 4 panels left there. I think we need 1 more because how it's landed on site, like as cuts, you're not able to get another one out. We're hoping to collect gate with 1, but it's just not quite big enough. So I think we've got 1 stood up somewhere. There's 1 there, look, stood up there. We're okay. We'll get this job finished today. A few bits and bats to do. main bulk of it's done. Got Matt coming, sorting gate out for us, and a couple, I think there's 2 or 3 sections out front. Oh, sorry, 3 or 4 sections out front. Should be all good. I've got to shoot off at some point and do a bit of a site survey in Leeds. That I meant to go Tuesday, but we rearranged for today. Yeah, anyway, lads have just pulled up now, so I'll get off and get back to you shortly. So yeah, lovely day on site. We just walked round. Matt now, he's sussing his gate out, what he's got to do, and get CCTV thing back up for him. But yeah, it does look well when I've come round this morning. Look at that. What a difference. We've done well. We got that in day. This bit took most of the day, and then we smashed the other half in within like 2 hours. Other lads should be here soon. Site managers up here. So I've got to shoot off in an hour or so over to Leeds, see another school. So yeah, me and Baggy are just on with this front bit now. Ben's out back finishing his tarmac, and Matt and Lloyd are doing gate. We got first one dug there, and that's his line here. So Carl's just nipped off for some sandwiches. So I think we've got 3 and a bit to go in here. I don't mind Whiffed and Puff getting a spare panel out this morning. We didn't need to. If we had 4 on, I think we'd have enough, but anyway. I'm just at a school, it's a live school, so I've got to watch it, but they're renewing all this 5-foot high chain link, and probably going to have a 2-metre IV mesh similar to next door. It goes all the way around, but they think they might have to do it in sections, just as budget allows. But this section here would definitely have to be in halves. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 metres, and there's probably 10 metres up there, so probably 30 metres in halves. This bit should be okay. More or less done now. Me and Carl are just cleaning up here. Just done, we're just shoving that old gate on. That's nicely in. Goes well there. We finished it off here because we know that they're going to end up renewing that with some of this. It's all solid, well solid. Tarmac up with strips. Signature for us these days. And we'll show you around back shortly. Yeah, we're finished now. Everything's done. You can see saying this is all done. We've got a gate on, hydraulic closer, maglock back on. We've even fastened neatly all the original wires up to CCTV. About 10 times neater than it was originally, which wasn't even really our job, but we've got it done. New maglock, hydraulic closer. Job's a good one. Rock bolt. Can't argue with that. Look at how good they close. Perfect hydraulic close. They close nice and slowly. I mean, you can adjust them on there, Carl. On top of that thing, you adjust them, don't you? Quality job from the quality team. Anyway, we'll call it here. So that's us done now for Easter. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Have a good bank holiday, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.